Today, I'm GENEL MACATANGAY, a BSIT student from Section 2201. And I'm here now to discuss the Introduction to Networks, Chapter 5, Internet Protocol. Upon completion of this section, you should be able to, first, explain how the Internet sublayers are related to the frame field. Second, describe the Ethernet MAC address. Ethernet encapsulation, application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. Ethernet encapsulation. Ethernet, most widely used LAN technology, operates in the data link layer and the physical layer. Family of networking technologies that are defined in the IEEE 802.2 and 802.3 standards. Supports data bandwidths of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 40,000, and 100,000 Mbps or 100 Gbps. Ethernet standards define Layer 2 protocols and Layer 1 technologies. Two separate sublayers of data link, layer to operate logical link, control or LLC, and the MAC sublayers. Sublayer. Primary responsibilities: data encapsulation, media access control. MAC address, Ethernet identity. Layer 2 Ethernet MAC address is a 48-bit binary value expressed as 12 hexadecimal digits. IEEE requires a vendor to follow two simple rules. Must use the vendor's assigned OUI as the first 3 bytes. All MAC addresses with the same OUI must be assigned a unique value in the last 3 bytes. Main processing. The NIC views information to see if the destination MAC address in the frame matches the device physical MAC address stored in RAM. If there is no match, the device discards the frame. If there is a match, the NIC passes the frame up the OSI layers where the encapsulation process takes place. Switches. Upon completion of this section, you should be able to, first, explain how a switch operates. Second, explain how a switch builds its MAC address table and forwards frames. 3. Describe switch forwarding methods. 4. Describe the types of port setting available for Layer 2 switches. Fundamentals. An Ethernet switch is a Layer 2 device. It uses MAC addresses to make forwarding decisions. The MAC address table is sometimes referred to as content addressable memory camp or table. Frame forwarding methods and Cisco switches. A store and forward switch receives the entire frame and computes the CRC. If the CRC is valid, the switch looks up the destination address, which determines the outgoing interface. The frame is then forwarded out the correct port. A cut-through. A cut-through switch forwards the frame before it is entirely received. At a minimum, the destination address of the frame must be read before the frame can be forwarded. Duplex and speed settings. Full duplex. Both ends of the connection can send and receive simultaneously. Half duplex. Only one end of the connection can send at a time. Destination on the same network. There are two primary addresses assigned to a device on an Ethernet LAN. Physical address or the MAC address, used for Ethernet NIC to Ethernet NIC communication on the same network. Logical address or the IP address, used to send that packet from the original source to the final destination. The overall summary in this chapter 5 Ethernet is explain the operation of Ethernet, explain how switch operates, and explain how the address resolution protocols enables communication on a network. And that's all. Thank you.